there's no pressure for the platforms as such कि कहाँ आएगी film, किधर आएगी. I think as an actor, I'm quite satisfied. I'm only focusing on how to entertain the audience. And honestly, I mean it like with all honesty. But there is definitely a pressure to get something new with what I'm doing, with the characters that I'm playing. वो है, मतलब मुझे वो हमेशा लगता रहता है कि I want to try something new. I want to do something new. There's something else that I can do with each character. And that, I think that urge and that, seriously, that push came after I finished Love Hostel. There was this strong urge to learn something new about acting, you know. And I have attended almost every masterclass that is there online on acting, because there's this strong urge and of getting inspired by other actors' work and their body of work.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned into peepingmoon.com. And how can I close best of 2021 with someone who not once but twice decided that she's going to make our hearts go flutter. While it was not on a theatrical platform, but Sanya Malhotra made sure that OTT is her home ground. First with Paglet, then with Meenakshi Sundareshwar, and I can safely say that this is just the beginning because somebody, and I'll tell you the name later, has just told me that this is Sanya just starting. You have no idea what she's capable of. So Sanya Malhotra, welcome.
Oh God, that made me really emotional, Ankita. Thank you so much for such a fantastic intro.
Okay, so I'll get the cat out of the bag. Tapsi Panu was the first person who told me that if one person who is to be looked out for is Sanya Malhotra. You cannot escape the girl's good work. And she's just starting, so don't tell me it's her best because this is just the beginning.
Oh my God, that is so kind of Tapsi. I have to tell you how much she inspires me with her work and just how she is. She's quite inspiring, and I've told her this many a times. I hope, but that's very kind of her. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
But Sanya, aside that compliment, both Sandhya and Meenakshi as characters, again, uh, I would say one was as eccentric and real as it gets, and one was as beautiful and again as real as it gets in a long distance relationship. The common thread between both was you picked up characters which are just like you and me, people around us, the daily people. Uh, but how did Sandhya and Meenakshi sum up 21 for you?
I think these two wonderful women have taught me personally a lot of life lessons. You know, Paglet happened. We finished Paglet last year, just before the lockdown happened, and I was supposed to start Meenakshi just right after Paglet, and somehow I don't know. I was so immersed in Sandhya that I'm glad that I took like like that whole first lockdown was a, for me as an actor, it was a good break. You know, I got enough time to spend with whatever scenes I had shot for Paglet, whatever prep that I had put in for Sandhya was really heavy for me emotionally. And during 2020, I really realized that how much I've learned from Sandhya. You know, she um, doesn't look like a very strong-willed character in the starting of the film. You see
Exactly.
other people are taking her decisions, whether it was her husband, her mother. So the whole life she is sort of dependent on other people to take her decisions, but then she comes to understand this in the end of the film. I think um, I learned a lot from Sandhya, and then Meenakshi happened, and this we shot last year, right when the first lockdown was lifted. And I think for everyone who has seen Meenakshi Sundareshwar, it's a simple love story. These two are very simple, very relatable characters that you see on screen. But I think we, and as actors, I think मुझे भी लग रहा था कि easy होगा to do something like this. It will be very refreshing. But I never knew that I can also learn so much from such a simple yet relatable character that I played. And that, I think the credit goes to Vivek Soni, because though the character on paper was so simple and relatable, it had so many layers that I also didn't realize as an actor that I can, if I put in that much homework and hard work, I can like unfold it and make something good out of it, you know. So I think the credit for Meenakshi goes to Vivek, that he really helped me learn something new as an actor, and helped me add something to the craft.
Sunny, you realized that right after Dangal, till the last year, I think, yes, it took you a couple of years, but those two beautiful performances have solidified a strong position for you as a performer because of all the people I've been talking. Everyone says that you have to look out for her. She just has come out from this, Kahin se Sanya has come and then she's spreading her magic and her acting. What do you think is that USP which has helped you connect with the audience? And OTT is such a wide platform. You are so widely loved in both the parts. What do you think worked for you in that manner?
Worked for me in that manner. The love, I think I'm glad that I took my sweet time.
Yeah.
Like I was never worried about making it big in one go.
Exactly.
And I've been very patient with whatever work that I'm doing. Still, I am like, I'm not rushing to become anything, you know. Because I absolutely love acting. I think this is something that makes me extremely happy. Being in front of the camera, playing different characters, just, I don't know, it gives me, it's, it's, it's my passion, and it makes me really happy. So that's the reason I'm not rushing with kya mujhe banna hai. I do not want to become this huge, like eventually I would love to, but not right now. I'm like taking my sweet time. But yeah, so aisa, but with acting, I think it's also because it's my passion. That's the reason I'm able to like give in that time and that hard work that it requires. And I don't take it too lightly, you know. Because I'm not trying to put that pressure on me. Sometimes I do put a lot of pressure on myself as an actor. But then I think I really work well when I'm in thoda bahut pressure. So, and I think last year and this year has been has gotten a very nice shift in my career. मतलब दिख रहा है वो, मुझे भी सेंस हो रहा है कुछ तो बदला है कुछ अलग हो रहा है
हवा में कुछ अलग है
या कुछ हो रहा है
कुछ हो रहा है but Sanya, I know it's difficult, but if I have to ask you to pick Sandhya or Meenakshi, can you pick one?
नहीं won't be able to. I love both of them. I love all the characters that I have played till now. And you know वो होता ही है ना, you have to somewhere empathize with the characters that you're playing. Otherwise, it will get very difficult. If you don't empathize with your characters, then it's difficult for you to convince yourself that you are them. So I empathize with both of them, and I love both of them.
That's so sweet. But Sanya, if I have to ask you, how do you react to this one particular compliment which came your way? I was going through your social media. There was a time when this title was bestowed on Radhika. Now it's on Radhika Apte. Now it's you. That if you have to tune into Netflix, you gotta see Sanya Malhotra always. Have you read that? There's this meme.
There's a meme?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I have not seen it.
I'll send it to you because that also talks about how widely the acceptance has come from the audience and how much love which is coming your way and for the parts you play? Does it put you under pressure that maybe the next year stages, and now that we have a beautiful balance between theatrical and OTT, do you think there's going to be a certain pressure to perform on both the platforms, or you take it in your stride?
There's no pressure for the platforms as such कि कहाँ आएगी फिल्म, किधर आएगी. I think as an actor, I'm quite satisfied. I'm only focusing on how to entertain the audience. And honestly, I mean it like with all honesty. But there is definitely a pressure to get something new with what I'm doing, with the characters that I'm playing. वो है, मतलब मुझे वो हमेशा लगता रहता है कि I want to try something new. I want to do something new. There's something else that I can do with each character. And that, I think that urge and that, seriously, that push came after I finished Love Hostel. There was this strong urge to learn something new about acting, you know. And I have attended almost every masterclass that is there online on acting, because there's this strong urge and of getting inspired by other actors' work and their body of work. मैंने बड़े सारे interviews पढ़ लिए that what do they do when they're prepping up for a character, and also there was a fear, and there is a fear of not repeating my characters, which is I think an unattainable goal for me. वो हो जाएगा, कभी हो सकता है कि अब मैं कोई दो character similar लगे, because there are some characters that are close to me, you know, मतलब मेरे जैसे हैं, उनको अलग करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, बट उसके लिए भी वो कन्विंसिंगली करूं, वो मेरे कॉन्स्टेंटली माइंड में चलता रहता है. all these plans that I have for myself as an actor and for my profession.
ना चाहते हुए भी प्रेशर होता है क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ जाती है.
Yeah. Oh, मतलब प्रेशर नहीं है, बट being on round tables and getting interviewed by you for best performances performance of the year, तो मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ा addictive है. तो ऐसा लगता है कि
why not?
Like I met Taapsee recently. We were at a round table, and she said that I'll work really hard every year so that I'm on every round table, you know. And that's such an inspiring and a motivating thing to come from an actor like Taapsee. कि वो भी नहीं, मतलब she has done so much, so good.
Yeah, I was speaking to her, and she told me the same thing. That I just want one fine day when you call me for an interview, and we are not discussing female characters. We discuss films. The day we let go of the gender, the day you will let go of my character, my morality, my ethics, and just discuss me, the film. That will be the achievement, and that's the goal I'm looking for.
Yeah, she's so good. Yeah, she's very inspiring. I think that's what I want. Like, I also want to be on every round table every year.
that's the most cutest confession.
I keep working hard.
You understand that, and this is, you can easily find this. You don't have to ask me for help. People call you the new age presenter also.
What?
Where are you? Which rock under are you living in, Sanya? I am not taking this from you anymore.
What are you saying, people? Oh my God! What is this Christmas gift you are giving me, Santa?
But this is the research work which is coming to the table, because it's coming in a very nice way, because I was reading through this one piece, and the background to it was that how you finally have somebody with the same refreshing vibe, the girl embracing her curls, and you know, she's delicious and she wears her smile so confidently, and in the inverse, so like you remind me of the Preeti Zinta days. I'm like, yeah, Allah San.
No, you have made my Saturday. You have made my the end of 2021. You know, it's a huge compliment. I don't know if I deserve it or not, but it's a huge
compliment.
You
must have done something right that it's coming your way.
That's so sweet of you. You have seriously made my Christmas. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so now comes to the serious part. Sane, when I say that one of the best performances of the year, it also comes within the ranks of Konkona, Samantha, of KFC spoken about Taapsee, Vani has done lovely work, we have Ravina, Sushmita. It's the year of the women. I mean, Pooja Bhatt. I think the stronger the performances, it's all coming from the women's table, not playing the gender card, but yeah, it's an achievement and it's an applaudable thing. And then we also have some beautiful work by men, with Adarsh and White Gaurav and Vicky and Siddharth. What if Sanya has to pick up her favorite performance, gender no bias, what it would be?
My favorite performance of this year would be Ranveer Singh in 83. I saw it yesterday and it just blew my mind. Oh my God. He is hands down the best actor that we have. You know?
I think the reason to not even take his name is somewhere that I don't even know where to fit him in the best or where, because he's just outdone himself again.
Exactly. मतलब वो best से भी आगे पहुंच चुके हैं.
वो निकल गए अभी आगे थोड़ा.
Yeah, well, like ये तो बहुत अच्छे हैं. मतलब I don't know if I'll ever be able to attain something like that. What he has done with 83 is insane. He's brilliant in it. So for me, he is the best performance of the year. And again, Tapsi and Adarsh Gaurav in White Tiger. Adarsh, oh my God.
Insane.
Yeah, and I think next 2 years वो मतलब बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा to say hello to Adarsh Gaurav also. कई महीने के तो पता नहीं देखेंगे या नहीं देखेंगे वैसा हो जाएगा. I think it's my prediction. In 1 or 2 years, he'll be like, "अरे Adarsh."
I can say the same for you. कि सानिया टाइम मिलेगा क्या इंटरव्यू के लिए 2 साल बाद आई वाज लाइक सानिया की
नहीं मैं यही रहूंगी अंकिता. But with Adarsh, I think he is a brilliant actor, and I'm sure in 1 or 2 years he'll be, I don't know.
He's a thing to look out for, as we call it.
Unapproachable for us.
But Sanya, okay, this is hypothetical and we're not taking it to heart, and so should nobody else. If you had to swap a character, steal a character from last year, filmography of anyone or OTT work of anyone, if hypothetically, what it would have been?
No. Can't do it. We'll never do it.
It can be even it can be like a fan drill.
I was asked a similar question at a round table and I didn't answer it. Nah, can't do it. We'll never do it. Quite happy and content with what I have done. And I'm quite inspired with what other actors and creators are doing now. With the kind of.
So I'll ask you something different here before I close it. What's one thing, Sanya, which you really, really want to do? A character which you really think you right now, maybe mentally, physically, emotionally, are ready to play? It can be anything under any genre. Is there something you're really seeking out?
I am seeking out for a crime thriller, a grey, dark character to play, which will really get that dark side of me out. We all have that like dark and light side, no? So I really want the dark side out.
Everyone has that dark side.
Yeah, I want to see how it goes. Like while prepping, I think I would really enjoy playing a dark character or a psychopath or a killer.
But Sanya, before we close the chat, tell me something for your fans especially. What's in 2022? What should they look for? What is Sanya bringing to the table for them? For all the love which is coming your way, I think they will be happy to know it from you only.
So, 2022, there's Love Hostel. It's a drama thriller with Vikrant Messi and Bobby Deol, directed by Shankar Raman. And there's Hit with Rajkumar Rao.
Wow.
Like the first case. This is the film that I manifested successfully, a film with Rajkumar Rao. And I'm glad I got to work with him. I'm hoping I get to work with him in future too on something else. So that is going to come out next year. Or care. And yeah, I'm finally getting to work with Meghna Gulzar. And
I was coming to that.
Yeah, on Sam Bahadur, which is definitely a dream come true. It doesn't feel real, to be honest.
It's a very, very good casting. I have to give it. It's like
yeah. The credit goes to Meghna ma'am, and I still can't believe it that I'm going to work with her. You know, I think I'm going to like
manifest it, even
and just like stay with it for some time, and maybe just wait for myself to go on set and work with her. Could jinx na ho jaye, nazar na lage.
But thank you, Sanya. I mean, this is a very endearing and honest chat I had. I mean, somebody who's so happy to know the compliments coming her way, but still like crossing fingers that it stays. And I wish you all the best. And I hope that next year, instead of doing just this, we sit down on a proper round table and I have you again, because I'll be so happy
I
to
would
have
love
another
to.
conversation discussing.
Thank you so much, Ankita. And I must tell you that it's always so nice to talk to you. You have such a wonderful energy. And it's always, it doesn't feel like like I'm doing an interview. It feels like a chat with a friend. And I'm really thankful. Thank you. Thanks a lot for having me on this
And
performance
thank
you're
you.
having.
I would say thank you, because I was clear that if I have to do best, I have to talk to the best. So if there are no best people in the chat, I cannot close the season. So thank you for doing this. Thank you for the wonderful work. And I can't wait to see you. As
Thanks a lot.
if I have to say bye before, I really am manifesting to see you in a proper full-fledged dance park. I want to see you
How can
jumping
I
your way.
forget that? Look at me getting all psychotic.
Yeah,
मेरी
like
psycho film कर ली है. It's been so many. It's been 5 years that I've been manifesting a dance film. I think I'm letting it go, and I think हो
yeah,
जाएगा.
I want like
Just
let's
let
do
it
this.
go. Yeah.
Then we might just have Sanya's dance number to discuss next year. You never know.
Yeah, hopefully. I'm also like really looking forward to it. I hope that somebody writes a nice dance film for me. इससे पहले मेरी उम्र हो जाए ना.
Guys, we are putting it out. This is manifestation. Yesterday, Tapsi wanted to do something with Rohit Shetty. Today, Sanya wants to do a dance film. I'm going to put out a wish list for everyone out there by the end of the
Yeah,
series.
thanks a lot, Ankit.
But thank you.
Also, he's not looking for a dance film. Title
Done.
was it?
That Sanya has approved the headline, guys. I am not saying anything else. Thank you so much for doing this, and lots of love.
Thank you so much. Have a good Saturday, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.
Yes, same to you. Bye.
Bye.